6:32, let's fucking go. Illegal section. We got some monkey wrench macros here. Don't worry about it too much. And then in file 196 top level data, we have a new section, segment cache. And we have 4 arrays used to store the 3 line segments that we need to draw for one wall. Now, the reason these are here is because we don't want to disturb the garbage collector gods. Now, in high-level load on bottom section, within the file 196 section, within our loader function right here, we've added nothing in here again. We thought we were, but we didn't. And then down here we have Nicolas Cage variables part 2. And we don't have fucking time to, like, read this in the fast playlist, so you can pause here and read these if you really want to. And I'm going to go to the next section now. Okay, segment cache array. We need to load it. So we're going to get a shorthand reference to all of these temporary variables. Or these aren't temporary, these are temporary references to this global data here. Then we're going to load the arrays with segment 1, segment 2, and segment 3 of one of the 4 walls that we're trying to encase our current level design in. Okay, down here, we need to have some way to convert a coordinate that is local to the bitmap to a room local x, room local y, and it's going to be this value right here that's going to do it for us. Okay, we're going to loop through every single segment, which is 3 segments in our wall, and we're going to extract the first point and second point of our line segment, and then we're going to try to draw our line segment. But we got to use point normal form to do it. So we need to get segdiff x and y, and then if we have a negative value, the direction vector is going to be negative. Otherwise, we have a positive direction vector. And then taking the absolute value of segdiff and adding 1 gives us the number of tiles on the x and y axis. We're going to use a step index, which is going to be the scalar for our point normal form. Step index x, step index y. We're going to loop through every single step index, which goes 0 to number of tiles minus 1. And then we're using point normal form right here to get the tile x and tile y on the range xx0, xy0 to sx1, sy1, right? So this is a point somewhere on that range. And then we're going to convert that point to room local x, room local y by using this base address here, which is where we're converting from bitmap space to rendering engine space. And then we're going to throw an error here. And we're out of fucking time. Like and subscribe. Go here if you want a longer explanation. We are fucking out of time.